Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As you know, Selenium is one of most popular and famous software automation testing tool. Also, you can say Selenium is a powerful framework for web automation testing. On the other hand, TestNG is a testing framework which is inspired by JUnit and NUnit. TestNG can help you organize and run your test efficiently. So today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install TestNG in Eclipse IDE, thereafter create a TestNG test class and execute that test class. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to do that. Hello viewer, now I am at computer screen. As part of today's tutorial, I set it up topics this way. Selenium TestNG tutorial. First we will install TestNG in Eclipse IDE. Thereafter we will create project package and TestNG class. Then run TestNG class. Thereafter we will run TestNG from TestNG XML as a test suite. So in order to do that, first we need to open Eclipse IDE. So once your Eclipse IDE is open, then you need to go help. Then click Eclipse Marketplace. Once your Eclipse Marketplace is open, you need to type over here, find box TestNG, then hit enter from keyboard, or you can click go over here. You see TestNG is here. If it is installed, you will see here is a installed button, but it is not installed, so it is installed. So click install button. It will prepare for installing. So you need to confirm the selected feature. TestNG required and also TestNG M2E Maven. It is optional, but I am taking both of those. Then click confirm. So it is preparing for installation. Review license. There is no license to review. Then click finish over here. Once you click finish, it will start installing. You see installing software 16%. And during installation, it will give you some pop-up, trusted application or not, those kind of pop-up you can get. So let's wait for installing progress, then we'll work accordingly. Now software updates, click restart now. It is installed, but after restart, it will fully configure. The reason I did not get pop-up before because we installed before, that's why we did not get trusted application. If you get trusted application pop-up, then select all of those. Then click restart now. It will restart. It will take little bit time, but let's wait little bit. Any software, if you install in Eclipse IDE or within any IDE, if you install any software that requires your IDE restart. Once you will do IDE restart, it will take place everything the way it is needed. You see building 75%, bottom right corner, setup check, everything is done. Now, if you go again help, then Eclipse Marketplace, and in the find box type TestNG again. So type TestNG, then hit enter. You see it is installed. That means we are okay for going forward. Now cancel over here. Now file new Java project. Then you need to write your project name. This project name basically which project you are working on, based on that you need to write your project name. For demonstration purpose, we will write project name Selenium TestNG. Then click finish. Your project is created over here. Expand that. You see source folder is created. Expand that source folder. Module info.java is created. We don't need that. We can delete this one. Okay. Now from the source folder, right click in the source, then click new. Then you can create a package. Package name basically whatever we do reverts to the domain name com.test. Basically based on your project you can put your name over here. Then click finish. You see package is created. Once package is created, right click in the package, then new. If you don't see TestNG over here, then you can click other. So you see the TestNG over here appeared. TestNG class, click next. You need to put here up to source, then class name. Class name basically based on your test, you can write your class name. Here we can write my class name is Google search, because we'll do something on search in Google, then we'll create. Thereafter, annotation. There are multiple annotation over here, TestNG annotation, which is very important for TestNG. For later video, I'll explain all of those annotation. So now we are skipping those. Then click finish. Our TestNG class is created. If you expand this one com.test, here is the Google search. So TestNG, it is a red mark. So once you will see any red mark in Eclipse IDE, then mouse over there, you see add TestNG library, because we need to TestNG library in our project location. Add over here, you see TestNG added, red mark is gone. Now also we need to add Selenium jar file here. So right click on the project, then go to properties, then go to Java build path and select the class path, then add external jar. Here is my Selenium jar file. So you can download this Selenium jar file from Selenium official website, then click open. So all jar are added, then apply and close. Though it is setup is ready, all jar added, TestNG library added, now you are good to go for writing your code. First thing first, WebDriver driver equal to null. You see WebDriver is red mark, mouse over, import WebDriver. Thereafter, we need to system.set properties. Basically, which browser will run, we need to do that property over here, which is key value pair. So first we'll do WebDriver dot gecko dot driver. Selenium supports multiple browser like Firefox, Chrome, Edge, everything. So for Firefox browser, we need Gecko driver. So this is the key, and value is the where is the location of your Gecko driver. So let me pull my location. I put Gecko driver over here. So copy from here and paste it over here. So you see Gecko driver, there is a space, delete that. Exact location it is. Now we need to do driver equal to new Firefox driver. Firefox driver also red mark, mouse over, import Firefox driver. So now driver.get. As I mentioned, we'll do some Google search. Let me copy the Google URL from here. So paste it over here. As we'll do some search option in Google, let me open the browser, google.com. So in this box, we'll type something. So let me take a properties from here, inspect, right click, inspect. If you see, here is the ID. So if we got ID, then we'll go for ID. ID is a unique. So first thing, driver dot find element by dot ID. Then we need to dot send keys. So we'll search something with the keyword. That keyword will be, let me put the Selenium TestNG. TestNG. Once Google is appear homepage, then we'll search Selenium TestNG. Thereafter, we need to hit enter. Let me copy this whole thing. Then keys dot enter. That means it is like a, after typing something on the search box, you can click on the search button or you can hit enter. Both will work. So I just hit enter. Thereafter, we need to wait little bit. Red dot sleep. Let's say we'll wait 5000 milliseconds. That means 5 seconds. So you see there is a red mark. Mouse over add throws declaration. Red mark will be gone. Thereafter, we will close the browser. Driver dot close. It's a simple script. Just we are navigating to Google homepage and we are searching with a simple keyword. Then wait little bit. Then we'll close. So here we can put a custom message SYSO. Let's say this message will print in the console just for verification purpose. It is not mandatory. Google search completed. So now you need to save and right click, run as TestNG test. Click over here. Let's see how it goes. It is running. You see Firefox browser open. It is navigated to google.com and it is searched with TestNG. And now browser is closed. And let's see the console message. It is passed and also Google search completed. It is printed as expected, whatever we put it over here. That means our test is good. TestNG test run completed. Now is this test run can be from the TestNG XML file. So in order to do that, we need to select the project, then right click. You see TestNG, then convert TestNG, convert to TestNG. Click over here, you see TestNG XML. It will create a XML file and this is the XML based on your test. Then click finish. You see TestNG XML file is created. Double click. This is here. Now we have only one test, one class, Google search. If we have multiple tests, we can run multiple tests from here as a TestNG XML file. Once your TestNG XML file is open, right click TestNG XML, run as TestNG Suite. That means this XML make a TestNG Suite. You can control your test, everything from here. Click over here. It is running. You see browser open, navigated to Google homepage, TestNG search completed. Now it will close the browser. Yeah, it is closed the browser. And if you see in the console, you see Google search completed. So TestNG XML is very important for TestNG test run. You can run multiple tests, you can control your test run, and also you can put your data over here. You can use that data for multiple test case. So let me check whatever our topics is all are covered or not. Let's see, install TestNG in Eclipse IDE that we have completed. Create project, package and TestNG class that also completed. Run TestNG class, then also run TestNG from TestNG XML that also covered. So we covered all of our topics. That's all for today's tutorial. I believe those who are new in software automation testing using Selenium and TestNG, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.